so weird, man.
What's wrong?
I don't know, every time I close my eyes, it gets really, really dark. And then, like, every time I breathe, I can feel, like, air going in and out of my nose. It just feels weird, bro.
What flu symptom?
No, like, every time I close my eyes, it just gets really, really dark. And then, like, whenever I, like, breathe, there's, like, air that comes in and out of my nose.
Bubs. Like, this is what you're saying to me, it gets really, really dark. I would expect it to get dark when your eyes close, number one.
Hello? Ma, I need your help.
What happened?
I've been feeling weird, man. Every time I close my eyes, it gets super, super dark. And, like,
Yeah.
there's, like, whenever I breathe, it's like there's air coming in and out of my nose. Yo, I need help. I don't know what to do.
Your nose nostrils burning.
It's just like every time I breathe, it's like air that comes in and out.
Of your eyes.
No, of my nose. When my eyes, it's when I close my eyes, it just gets very dark. I just don't know what to do.
What do you think it could be? Are you eating properly?
I am. I'm eating.
When did it start? When did this start?
Just now, after I called you this morning with the baby, and like now I was fine, and then like I closed my eyes, it just got super dark, and now I can feel air coming in and out of my nose when I breathe, like.
Okay, joke's up. Explain yourself, please.
We're doing so wrong.
Hey?
Mama, Kanya was joking with you because she says it gets really dark when I close my eyes. And when I close my eyes, I can feel air going through my nose when I breathe. So
it's like, crazy.
she did the same thing to me. I was like, but that's
That's supposed to happen.
That's supposed to happen.
It's supposed to be a prank now.
Yeah.